Welcome to Rhodes, the Greek island of sun, sea, and total relaxation. In this video, we'll take you through the arrival process, from landing to the start of your holiday. After stepping off the plane, a bus will be waiting to take you to the arrivals hall entrance. From our experience, things on Rhodes always go smoothly and stress-free. Once inside, you collect your luggage from the belt, head towards your rental car or shuttle bus, and from there, it's time to enjoy your holiday.